Hello, in this video I'll show you the location of the DPF pressure sensor on Audi A4 A5 B8 with a 2.7 TDI and 3 liters TDI engine. I'm also going to show you the wiring diagram for the DPF pressure sensor. So first I'm going to go into the manual and show you that, and then I'll show you the location of it on the car. Next I'm going to go into the service manual and show you the location of the component in the service manual. First I'm going to select the car and going to electrical component location, and then pick the engine. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, in the search tab, I'm going to type differential pressure sensor and it will show me the location of it. That's what the pressure sensor looks like, and it's number 3 on the diagram. We can see number 3 is located over there on the rear of the engine. Next I'm going to show you the wiring diagram for the diesel particulate filter pressure sensor. So we can see the DPF pressure sensor is located right there in blue, B232, and it has 3 wires. One of them is black gray, the other one is brown green, and the third one is yellow black. They're all going to the engine control module. We can see that the yellow-black wire is sharing voltage with 2 other modules. And it's also going to the engine control module. Next, I will show you the location of the DPF pressure sensor on the car. It's located on the rear of the engine, right there on this air intake hose. It's just this one there. We can see there is 2 pipes going to the DPF, and also there is 3 wires on the electrical connector. This is the pipe going to the DPF. Right there, we can't see the other end, but it's going down there, and that's the DPF right there. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.